I got Pop-Tart her surprise gift. I had to spoil it for her. So here she goes opening it. Ow. Don't cut yourself.
Again, successfully with the freaking... I don't even know.
They made it really good.
It's coming open.
I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited for you to open it. They duct taped it like no other.
Jesus. They're like, no, you won't get this open. It's going to be difficult as nuts.
No, I'm tying a knot. Oh my god, it's huge.
Oh my god.
Where's the secret pocket? It's somewhere. You have to feel around for the little pocket.
Ah.
Oh, it's there. How big is the pocket? How much can you stuff in there? Oh yeah, you can put your phone in there.
Oh, show mommy. Oh my god, this is my tail. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Let me get a little good angle at this. Oh my god, it's huge.
Oh my god, Kristen's tail.
Is the color good?
Yes, it's perfect. Mommy, I got Kristen's tail.
Oh, wow.
Kristen's tail, my furry.
I don't understand what you're saying.
She just slapped Black Star.
Bam, bam.
Oh, Samuel Higgins getting it.
See?
Black Star's like, I see, and now I'm hiding.
Way too fucking big.
It's so
No,
perfect.
it's perfect for her ass. You had to put a tail on
Samuel
Charlie.
Higgins thinks or fucking Black Star thinks it's way too big.
Oh, yeah. It slapped him in the
How
face.
soft is it? Oh my gosh, you gotta comb it out a little.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a pillow.
I got her tail. Now I just have to get the rest of her.
Which is a lot.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be like $1,100.
Now you need a belt. Do you have a belt?
Somewhere. I know that I could probably find right now. Oh wait, right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm so excited for you.
I'm stoked.
Yeah, the girl, she asked me, and she's like, oh, what colors are good? She gave me links to different fur colors, and I was like, this is the one. It's like an ice blue, cyan. Oh, the belt loop. There you go. Oh my gosh. You got it? Oh my gosh, it's the perfect length for you. I was afraid it was going to be a little bit too big. Don't die on me. Now, look at I'll put this shirt over it. Over the belt so they don't see it.
Oh, it's a dress.
Oh, it's a dress? Crap. Well then, do you have like a shirt for a reference that you can put over?
Imagine the belt.
Now wag your butt. Oh, you're so...
I'm gonna go out and show them. You guys!
Yep, the curve goes perfectly with your ass. I thought it would.
That's all funny, you know.
It's a perfect fit. And it, she said she needed a big tail for her big ass.
Well, okay, look in the... Ah! Look in the mirror.
And you're pushing it in the poop.
Oh, that's gross. Look in the mirror.
Oh my god. all me.
Fluffiness! Ah!
This is all me at soccer room.
She has her tail!
Now where do I put this?
Take really good care of it.
We'll touch it right here. It'll be on a pedestal.
All petting it. Yeah, you might have to like brush it a little bit.
Will you help me take my shoes off, Momo?
Yeah, but anyways, video's over. Woohoo, she loved her tail. Thank you, Kit. You did amazing.
Thank you.
Bye.